Alright guys, I am at the Delight Deluxe Hotel. It's beautiful. Let me show you from inside. And the rooms are amazing. The place is amazing as well. Let me show you from inside. Oh my god, this is amazing. So you see on the roof, you have a place to sit and have a great view from here. Breathtaking view. Look at that. Look at that. Okay, the name of this hotel is Cafe and Bar Celentano. Celentano is basically it's named after the famous Italian actor, and he's really famous, so that's why they named it here. And you should try his movies as well. My friend told me that he's like really famous in Italy, Italian actor actually. So let me just show you inside, and let's take you inside. And this is the actor I was talking about, Adriano Celentano. So this is the Italian actor you need to watch. They also have this Spa and Beauty Center here.